Korean cuisine, also known as Hansik, is a unique and diverse culinary tradition that has been shaped by centuries of history and culture. The cuisine of the Kingdom of Korea is characterized by its use of fermented foods, spicy flavors, and a variety of vegetables and seafood. In this article, we'll explore the traditional dishes, ingredients, and influences that make up Korean cuisine. Traditional dishes. Korean cuisine is based on a wide variety of dishes, with each region of Korea having its own specialties. Some of the most famous and popular Korean dishes include kimchi. Kimchi is a fermented vegetable dish that is a staple of Korean cuisine. It is made from cabbage, radish, or other vegetables that are fermented with garlic, ginger, and chili pepper. Bibimbap. Bibimbap is a popular Korean rice dish that is served in a bowl with various toppings such as beef, egg, vegetables, and chili paste. Bulgogi. Bulgogi is a Korean barbecue dish that is made from thinly sliced beef that is marinated in a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, garlic, and sesame oil. Japchae. Japchae is a stir-fried noodle dish that is made with sweet potato noodles, vegetables, and meat or seafood. Jjigae. Jjigae is a Korean stew that is made with a variety of ingredients such as tofu, kimchi, seafood, and meat. Influences on Korean cuisine. Korean cuisine has been influenced by various cultures throughout history, including China, Japan, and Mongolia. However, one of the most significant influences on Korean cuisine is the country's geography. Korea is surrounded by water on 3 sides and has a climate that is characterized by 4 distinct seasons. This geography has influenced the ingredients that are used in Korean cuisine, with seafood and vegetables being staples of the diet. Another important influence on Korean cuisine is Buddhism. Buddhism arrived in Korea in the 4th century, and vegetarianism became a popular practice among Korean Buddhists. As a result, Korean cuisine has many vegetarian dishes and is known for its use of tofu and other soy-based products. Ingredients in Korean cuisine. Korean cuisine is known for its use of fresh and flavorful ingredients. Some of the most common ingredients in Korean cuisine include rice. Rice is a staple in Korean cuisine and is often served as a side dish or as the base of a main dish. Vegetables. Korean cuisine is characterized by its use of a wide variety of vegetables such as cabbage, radish, spinach, and mushrooms. Seafood. Korea is a peninsula surrounded by water, and seafood is a staple of the cuisine. Fish such as mackerel, tuna, and squid are commonly used in Korean dishes. Meat. Meat is also used in Korean cuisine, with beef, pork, and chicken being the most popular types of meat. Soy sauce. Soy sauce is a common ingredient in Korean cuisine and is used to add flavor to dishes. Regional varieties. Korean cuisine varies by region, with each region having its own specialties. Some of the most popular regional dishes include Jeonju bibimbap. Jeonju bibimbap